If you can take photos on your phone, you can make money. You don't need a website. You don't need any technical skills. You don't need marketing skills. My name's Kev, and I sell other people's junk online. I'm a reseller. I sell mainly on eBay. Today's video is going to be about why I love doing this job, why I love selling on eBay. So let's get straight into it. First thing I'm going to do is send a couple of parcels out. This is one of the things I love about eBay. Getting up in the morning and you've got orders that are waiting to go out and money in the bank. So yeah, first thing I do normally when I get up is have a cup of tea, obviously, and then get straight on my phone and see what's sold on eBay overnight, if anything. Obviously, not every morning I get up and find something sold, but most mornings I do. And it is a lovely feeling. I've been doing this for 20 years, not long after eBay, well, more than 20 years, probably 22 years. Not long after eBay started, I started selling online. And I've tried lots of other different sites. I've tried my own website, selling stuff on my own website. And I've got to tell you, when you add it all up, and you look at all the different options, at the moment, there's not a platform that beats eBay. Not for the sort of stuff that I sell. And that's why I love selling on eBay. Yes, you get problems, but you do with any platform or even if you got your own website, you still got to deal with customers. And they're most of your problems. Although, overall, I don't get many problems. If you do the job right, you eliminate most of the problems that most people get. And I know you hear a lot of people whining and whinging about eBay. It's not what it used to be and this, that. Of course it's not what it used to be. When I started selling on eBay, it was like the Wild West. It was unbelievable. There were so many scams, scam sellers, scam buyers. It was a real, it was a real challenge. But over the years, eBay have worked hard to get it right. They don't get it right all the time. Nor do I. Nor does anyone. But trust me, as far as I'm concerned, they've certainly made my life easier. Not only have you got a worldwide market, but you can sell pretty much anything. I mean, as long as it's legal, obviously, that's common sense. There are things that you can't sell on eBay. I'm not going to go through them now, but there are obvious things, you know, like knives, drugs, guns, stuff like that. But it's pretty much common sense. If you're selling everyday items like I do, you don't really you come across that problem very much. I've had the odd one that I've listed and it's violated their policies. And when I've looked into it, I thought, well, why is that? And they've got some weird explanation as to why you can't sell that thing. But basically, it's not a problem. You can sell pretty much anything. Some people hate packing, but I love it. Not a problem for me. You don't even need a lot of stuff for packing. I mean, I've got obviously tape. I've got a tape gun that makes it easier, but you can do it without a tape gun. Just take you a little bit longer. You know, scissors, a knife, some boxes. You can either buy them like I do, or you can just, you know, find them locally, outside shops and that sort of stuff. Use boxes that you've got stuff delivered in. I'm going to put a label on that now. I've got a label printer, only because I've been doing it a long time and I sell quite a bit of stuff, even though I'm really only part-time. But you don't need a label printer. You could just write the name and address on there, take it down a post office and send it. If you're just starting, you don't need to worry about all that. That's another thing I love about it, especially for beginners. It's not a hard sell. I mean, the people that are looking to buy stuff, they're like you and me. If you want something and you go on your favourite site, whether it's eBay, Amazon, Vintage or whatever, you're looking to buy something. And if you see what you want and it's a decent price, you just make a decision and think, yeah, I'll buy that. And that's what it's like. There's motivated buyers on these sites. They make it very, very easy for us. You know, there's no cold calling, do you want to buy this? Or going out in the street or convincing someone in the market that they should buy this. Motivated buyers, that's what we want, and that's what you get when you're selling on eBay. I've got a set of postage scales. You don't need them. You can use a kitchen scale like this that you use to weigh your ingredients up. You don't even need that when you start. You can just take it down a post office and put it on the scales down there. But it's good to have an idea of what things are going to cost you to post. You get that when you've been doing it for a while. That's for another video, separate video. But these are great. I'll just stick that on there like that. That'll tell me that is just under 2 kilos, which is brilliant. So let's print a label off. Done. I love these. Next thing I got is basically 2 pieces of paper. I love selling paper. When I say paper, the correct term's ephemera. It's vintage paperwork of some sort. These things here are from the Boys Brigade. There's like a monthly magazine and an identification card. They're going to go straight in there. Job done. Just got to print the label. $90 grams. The other thing I love about doing this job is that you can do it part-time or full-time, depending on what your needs are, what your schedule is. I used to do it full-time. I used to run this from my house, and it was a full-time job for me. Full-time job for a couple of years. Before that, and way back from the start, I did it on a part-time basis. I had a rubbish clearance business before that, and I used to pick up stuff. I did house clearances and that, and I used to go and buy stuff. And I used to do it part-time alongside my main business. But you can do this part-time or full-time. Seriously, if you just need 100 quid a month or 200 quid a month, 500 quid a month, whatever, you can do it part-time. If you want to make a living out of it, you can do it full-time. But it is a real job. You've got to work at it. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. There's no age restrictions. You can do this reselling business. Doesn't matter how old you are. I think you've got to be over 18, but there's no age limit. So if you're in your 50s, 60s, 70s, or even 80s, I know people that are much older than me. I'm 65 coming up, and they do it. They love it. They're outsourcing, finding stuff to sell, sticking it on eBay or Facebook, whatever platform that they use. No age limit at all. You don't have to just rely on your government pension if that's all you're getting. You can earn money and double your pension if you know what you're doing. Reselling, it's a doddle. And I mean, it's easy to do. That was my packing. I've only got 2 items to pack out that are going out today. But it's so easy to do. If you've got a phone, which most people have now, or just even a camera, but most people have got a phone, you can do it all on your phone. I take my photographs on my phone. I haven't got a separate camera, but I do the listings and print the postage labels off on my little laptop because I'm all fingers and thumbs. The kids are great at all that, aren't they? The phone, but not me. So I take my photos on there, and then I go over to my laptop to list the stuff. Again, that's the subject for another video. But yeah, you don't need a load of equipment. It's easy to do, seriously. There's a learning process like everything. Money don't come easy, but it doesn't matter how old you are, you could do this. You know, you don't have to worry about how you're going to get paid. It's all dealt with by these selling platforms. Um, you sell something, the buyer pays online, as you do when you buy something online. You just pay online, that's it. And then as a seller, in my situation, I'm on eBay. I get paid every week. Every Tuesday, they send me my money that they owe me. So whatever I've sold, less their fees, goes straight in my bank. You don't have to worry about setting up payment methods or connecting with people, communicating with buyers, how you're going to pay and all this. All done online. Dead simple. Same with the postage, really. As I say, you can just take your parcels down the post office, write the name and address on the top, put it on their scales, pay at the post office. It's more expensive to do it like that. You can save money if you do it online. I do all my postage through eBay. I just put in, the weight of the package, the size of it, buy a postage label, print it out. I've got a little printer, but you don't need a printer. You get QR codes now. So if you buy your postage through eBay, when you take your parcel in the post office, they scan the QR code on your phone. Done. Dead easy. If you can take photos on your phone, you can make money. You don't need a website. You don't need any technical skills. You don't need marketing skills. And there is unlimited amounts of stock out there available when you know what you're doing. Start off with stuff you got at home. It's a doddle. If you haven't got anything at home that you don't want anymore to resell, there's loads of other options for you. Start off with family and friends. Ask them, you got anything that you want to sell, you want to get rid of? I'll stick it on eBay for you and we'll split the profits. That's called consignment. That's for another video. You can go to car boots, jumble sales, charity shops, auctions, online auctions, like you can buy off eBay or Vinted or normal online auctions. There are so many options for you to buy stuff. My favourite one, and the one I like to specialise in, is buying stuff from people in their own homes. Okay, I like getting in front of people, seeing what they got for sale. While I'm there, I normally buy more than they intended to sell in the first place because they realise I'm a cash buyer, and they bring stuff out, and I say, yep, I'll have a look at that. I'll have that big bundle of stuff. That's how I like doing it. Again, that's for another video. But as I said before, you don't even need upfront cash, even if you haven't got any money. Just talk to your family and friends. Listen, everybody's got stuff for sale. Most people don't know what to do with it. They take it down a charity shop or they stick it in the bin, whatever. They either can't be bothered or they just don't want to do this selling online bit. They don't want to get involved with it. Well, those people are gold. Go to them, have a deal, as I say, called consignment. You sell their stuff and you split the profits after your fees, 50-50 or whatever deal you come up with. I'll do a separate video on this. In fact, I think I've already done one. Dead easy. Don't need any money up front. And the other great thing about this business is it's totally scalable. So you can make your business work around your life. So if you've got more time or maybe a bit more money to buy more expensive stuff, obviously at the right price, you can make more money. Or if you just want to work a few more hours or you want to do it full time, you can scale it by listing more and more items. The more you've got available for sale, if you're doing it right, the more you're going to sell. So it's totally scalable to suit each individual person. If you're just looking for an extra few £100 a month, you can just do this part-time, hassle-free, no stress, easy. You choose your own hours, work as and when you want, and you can also do it alongside another job if you're still working, which I am. I mean, I'm coming up to retirement age. I've got another 18 months to go, but I'll still do this until I can't do it anymore because I enjoy doing it so much and I like the money coming in. Obviously, there are challenges, but they're all very easy to get over. Just takes experience, the right mindset. It's not a rocket science job. It really is quite simple. You buy something, you list it, for me on eBay, you sell it, you post it, you get paid. That's it. And let me tell you, it's much cheaper than setting up your own website or opening a shop in the high street or wherever. I've done all that. If you're at my stage in life, if you want to do that, fantastic, go for it. If you want all the overheads, staff and all that, as I say, done all that, not going back there again. I love this. Well, that's it, just a short video. Hope you got a bit of value from it, and it's given you a little bit of encouragement to get going and start getting some pennies in. I've got a free guide that I wrote. It's down in the description. If you want it, you can go and download it. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.